Hello! Welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. This is Gabby's vlog for our latest vlog all about singing girls ng Perapin Eat Bulaga Plus PBA Games kahapon sa sports complex. But subscribe to our YouTube channel. Gusto mag-likes, shares, comments, and views. Abutin na 500 subscribers if supportin natin sa ating social media account. Our latest vlog 260 episode 260 titled Singing Girls Plus PBA Caloocan. Here's your vlog. Okay, simulan natin pala. Ang una muna natin sa sports news. Okay, simulan natin sa sports news. PBA Games kahapon sa Caloocan Sports Complex 3 to 5:30 PM yung second game, which is sa Ilocos Sur. Ang layo. Pero dito naman sa Caloocan PBA Games kahapon, ang laban-laban ng Ringer Shine, Elastorators at Terra Firma Drift. Panalo sa game na ito ay Ringer Shine, Elastorators kontra sa Terra Firma Drift. 12-point lead. Yes, point lead. I think is 116, 104. Parang di ka gets. Pero congratulations to Bolbuega and player of the game si Andre Caracot ng De La Salle University. Siyempre, marami po. At sa the second game, yung sa Candon City Arena at Ilocos Sur, na pagitan ng TNT at NLEX. Panalo sa game nito ay TNT Tropa Giga. Yan. Congratulations and thank you Ilocos Sur. And sa April 27, ang next game natin for Caloocan Sports Complex game na PBA ay Northport and syempre Blackwater sa April 27, 3 PM pa rin to 5:30 PM. Get your tickets now at ticketnet.com or sa Caloocan Sports Complex. See you April 27. Now, here's your entertainment news. Okay, eto na, ito yung entertainment news sa site. Kahapon, sa ating warm-up birthday ni Bossing Big Soto turns 70 years old. Sa Perapin segment ng Eat Bulaga, may surprise on Big Soto. Surprise number that this girl, this trans man, naman babae, na pangalan na Gary, aka Ice Baby by Ice Sigera. Already Ice Sigera. Gandang babae, Ice Sigera, pang-peg mo. Siyempre, kahapon yan. Ang player na si Jopay Pagya Zamora ng Sex Bomb Girls. Sex Bomb Girls na si Jopay Pagya na nanalo ng 44,000 pieces perfect run. Walang tapon. Yung unang card pala is 1. Yung kay Ice Baby, Ice Sigera, And of course, ang huling card na nanalo na 40,000 bago magpa-perfect kay Billie Jean by Jose Manalo na 5 card. Yay! Congratulations, Jopay Pagya. And we always love Ice Sigera. I miss Ice Sigera. Sana mga girl na ulit next time. But thank you for joining us and advance happy birthday, Bossing Big Soto. But wala si sa maluloob Ryan Agustina kasi may na-trip tayo na injury sa bosses. Kaya next time, see you next week on Therapy. Na bago pa tayo matapos, ito muna sa ating New Music Friday. Sa ating new music body, we have the new songs from Dua Lipa, Sabrina Carpenter, Zayn Malik, and Lola Amor plus Aris Gonzaga, and Linked Park na yun nasa Spotify at iba pang streaming platforms like iTunes and YouTube News. Sana supportan natin ang iba pang singers, artists, groups, and solos, supports, and social media accounts. Kaya, good luck and God bless. Yan po for our latest vlog. Hope to see you next vlog. Bye. God bless. Mwah.